Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Guard on Guitar. We have Christina Aguilera here with a song called Somos Nada. So she sings in Spanish, I believe, so that means I'm out on deep water. But this one is so easy, so I believe it will be great anyway to go through this song here. We don't need any capo for this one, and we have 4 different chords, so let's start with those. First one is the A minor, so open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have G, so third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next will be F, so you bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we have E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And we actually have a 5th chord there as well. We have the C here, of course. So that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Yeah, so there's the 5 chords we need to know: A minor, G, F, E minor, and C. So the only challenging part here, I believe, will be the intro here, and that will also be the outro, the final part of the song. So I'm gonna give you that, and the rest is very, very easy. So let's start with this intro here. It will sound like this. Yeah. So what we do here, we will start on the first fret B string. And we play the 3rd fret B string. Okay. And then we're gonna play the open A string together with the 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So all these 4 strings. That's pretty much based on the A minor, which this part is. So you play all those 4 strings together, and then 1st fret B and 3rd fret B. Okay, so we stop there. This is the A minor part. So just repeat this one: 1st fret B, 3rd fret B. Then we pluck all these 4 strings, the open A together with the 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then play 1st fret B and 3rd fret B again. Okay, that's the A minor part. Then we have the part that is based on the G here. So you will pluck the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with the open G and 3rd B. These 3 strings together, and then you're gonna play open B, 3rd B, and open E. And that's the G part here. So just to repeat this one: 3rd fret on the E string in the bass together with the open G and 3rd B, then open B, 3rd B, and open E. Okay, then we have just the F part left here. So you're gonna play the 1st fret on the E string in the bass together with the 2nd fret G string and 1st fret B string. So these 3 strings are plucked together. And then you're just gonna play the 3rd fret E string, and you go high up here on the 8th fret E string. So just to repeat this final F part here: 1st fret on the E string in the bass, 2nd fret G string, and 1st fret B string. You play those 3 strings together. Then on E string, 3rd fret and 8th fret. And that's the intro and the hard parts of this song here. So I'm gonna play this very slow through for you so you can be able to see how it's done and listen how it sounds. So let's go. Yeah, that's the intro. Now let's start with the actual song here. And this one is a piano song, very classic. There are a couple of notes more played than just downs, which we will play for this tutorial here. But it's not that much more than just simple downs in a very slow tempo. So that is how it's done here on this tutorial with the guitar and only downs. So let's start with the first verse here. We'll play 4 downs of C, then 4 on A minor, then 3 on F with a pause, and then you go again for another round of the same chords here. C, 2, 3, 4 times, and then E minor 4 times, and then you're gonna play F 4 times, and then you're gonna continue to play F but 3 times with a pause in the end. 2, 3, and pause. All right. So there's pretty much one chord progression that goes for 2 rounds here in the verse, with a slight change here. So to repeat this one, 4 downs on C, 4 on E minor, then 3 on F with a pause, and then C again, same chord progression there, E minor 4 times, and F 4 times this time, and then you're gonna still stay on F 2, 3. So it will be 7 times in total on the final F here, with a small pause after the final 7th time on down on F. And then comes the chorus, okay? So it will be same play here, still downs in the same tempo. So 4 downs on C, 4 on A minor, 4 on F, and 4 on C. And you're gonna start all over again. C 4 times, then A minor 4 times. So far it's the same, 4 times on F. Okay, and the final part here, the C 4 times that we had in the first round here in this chorus, it will be divided into 2 times on C and 2 times on G. So on this second round here, final chord is not C 4 times, you will divide it to C 2 times and G 2 times. So, okay. And then you end this chorus here with 3 times of F and with a break, a small pause. Okay, so just to summarize this chorus part, we had the chord progression C, A minor, F, and C. So for the first round, we play 4 downs for each chord. So C 4 times, A minor 4 times, F 4 times, and C 4 times. For the second round, it starts in the same way, C 4 times, A minor 4 times, F 4 times, and now on the final touch there, we have the C 2 times and G 2 times, okay? And then you're gonna end with 3 downs on F with a small break. All right, so that was the chorus part there. And the second verse here will be the same as the first verse we learned, but it's just shorter. And with that said, you're gonna play the second part of the verse here that we learned in the first verse. So it will be C 4 times, then E minor 4 times, then we have 4 times on F, and this another 3 times on F with a pause. So the second round you can say from the first verse, that is what we play for the second verse. And then comes the final part there, the final chorus. Okay, it will be the same, but only the last F chord that will be different here. So on the first chorus there, we played F for 3 times with a pause, and this time it will only play it for 1 time and a pause. So I thought I could take you through this final chorus And yeah, let's end this song together. C 4 times, A minor 4 times, F 4 times, C 4 times, and over again with C 4 times, A minor, F 4 times, then C 2 times, and G 2 times, and 1 down on F. There's a break there, and then it ends, like I said in the beginning of this tutorial, with the same melody that we started. This yes, so that was the tutorial of Somos Nada by Christina Aguilera. Hope this was helpful, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this if you did, and play tuned.